Today's paragraph: Environmental pollution. Today, the world is facing a serious change against its ecobalance. The environment is getting polluted. Environmental pollution has affected our lives so adversely that millions of people die annually and a lot more suffer continuously. Rapid industrialization and deforestation are at the root of the problem. Smoke and smog vitiate the air, and toxic chemicals, metals, oils, and household waste pollute water. Dumping garbage and widespread use of inorganic manure and pesticides create land pollution. Besides, there are means of sound pollution. It is mainly caused by the honking of horns, brass, the bursting of crackers, and the reckless use of loudspeakers. All this contributes to the sharp rise of deadly diseases and does incalculable damage to the ecobalance. Obviously, we can control pollution by afforestation. And the responsibility in this regard is ours. If we strive hard to depollute the environment, we can hope for a pollution free world.